Hello, do you want to speak English like Americans? If you want, just before starting the video, I want to tell you 3 points that you should work on. Number 1. Listen more than you speak. It may be a podcast, a story, or an English speaking practice video. Number 2. Every day learn some new vocabularies, sentence structure, or whatever it is. Number 3. Practice every day. Whether you have a speaking partner or not, if you really want, you can practice with yourself. Just keep speaking about the things that are happening in your life. If you have no one speaking partner, take this video as your partner and practice with me. I'm not gonna pause the video, but you do it. First, listen the sentences that I'm saying here, and then pause the video and repeat the sentence yourself. And keep repeating the same process till the end of the video. In the first 50 sentences, we are gonna be talking about dreams, okay? So what's you waiting for? Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. I had a strange dream yesterday. Number 2. Last night I dreamed of flying. Number 3. I saw myself walking on water. Number 4. My dream was so funny yesterday. Number 5. I couldn't remember the full dream. Number 6. The dream felt very real today. Number 7. I dreamed about meeting my childhood friend. Number 8. I saw myself inside a jungle. Number 9. My dream was full of colors. Number 10. I dreamed of riding a big horse. Number 11. Last night I was climbing mountains. Number 12. I dreamed that I was a superhero. Number 13. I saw myself driving a fast car. My dream was a little scary. Number 15. I dreamed about my school exams again. Number 16. I saw myself cooking delicious food. Number 17. My dream felt so peaceful last night. I dreamed about my family reunion yesterday. Number 19. I saw a big party in my dream. Number 20. My dream was full of laughter. Number 21. I dreamed of winning a gold medal. Number 22. I saw myself traveling to space. Number 23. My dream was both strange and exciting. 24. I dreamed of walking on the moon. Number 25. I saw myself swimming with dolphins. Number 26. My dream was completely unbelievable last night. Number 27. I dreamed that I was teaching English. Number 28. I saw myself meeting famous celebrities. Number 29. My dream was full of happiness yesterday. Number 30. I dreamed of buying a huge house. Number 31. I saw myself wearing royal clothes. Number 32. My dream felt like a fantasy world. Number 33. I dreamed of becoming a successful businessman. Number 34. I saw myself in a magical forest. Number 35. My dream was really confusing last night. Number 36. I dreamed about flying above tall buildings. Number 37. I saw myself riding a beautiful boat. Number 38. My dream was very long yesterday night. Number 39. I dreamed of spending time with my pet. Number 40. I saw myself visiting Paris in my dream. Number 41. My dream felt like a real story. Number 42. I dreamed about talking with my old teacher. Number 43. I saw myself in a haunted house. 44. My dream gave me new ideas. Number 45. I dreamed about finding a hidden treasure. Number 46. I saw myself painting on a big canvas. Number 47. My dream was short but sweet yesterday. Number 48. I dreamed of becoming a great singer. Number 49. I saw myself traveling with my best friend. Number 50. My dream gave me positive energy today. Number 51. I usually prepare tea in the morning. Number 52. Making coffee is very simple and quick. Number 53. First, boil some water in a kettle. 54. Add tea leaves into the boiling water. Number 55. Pour coffee, add hot water to powder. Number 56. Milk makes tea taste more creamy. Number 57. Sugar gives both tea and coffee sweetness. Number 58. Green tea is very healthy for digestion. Number 59. Black coffee helps to keep you awake. Number 60. I enjoy drinking tea in a balcony. Number 61. Coffee gives me energy to start work. Number 62. Tea relaxes my mind after stressful hours. 63. Breakfast should always be light but nutritious. 64. I prefer eggs and bread for breakfast. 65. Some people love biscuits with hot tea. 66. Oats with milk make a healthy breakfast. Number 67. Pressed juice is a great morning drink. Tea contains antioxidants that refresh the body. 69. Coffee boosts brain function and concentration. Number 70. Too much coffee can harm your sleep. 71. Tea can calm your stress and anxiety. Number 72. Coffee should be taken in moderation daily. Number 73. Breakfast gives energy for the whole day. 74. Skipping breakfast makes you feel tired early. 75. Some people prefer green tea over coffee. 76. Coffee lovers usually drink multiple cups daily. 77. Tea lovers enjoy different flavors like lemon tea. Coffee is often taken with cookies. 79. Tea pairs well with light snacks. Number 80. Many people start their day with strong coffee. 81. Adding honey instead of sugar is healthier. 82. Drinking tea in clay cups feels refreshing. 83. Cold coffee is very popular in summer. Number 84. Hot tea tastes better in winter evenings. 85. Instant coffee is very quick to prepare. 86. Masala tea is famous in many countries. 87. I prefer sugar-free coffee for better health. 88. Herbal tea is great for boosting immunity. Number 89. Coffee can sometimes increase your heartbeat. 90. Drinking too much tea may cause acidity. 91. Tea and biscuits are my favorite combo. 92. Coffee with milk tastes smoother and creamy. Number 93. Tea is good for sore throat relief. Number 94. Coffee can keep you awake during late work. Both tea and coffee are social drinks. 96. Drinking tea in the morning feels refreshing. 97. Coffee is often served after dinner. 98. Tea lovers enjoy every sip slowly. 99. Coffee drinkers often like strong flavors. Number 100. Both drinks bring comfort and joy daily. My phone battery drains very quickly. 102. Always use the original charger for safety. 103. Avoid charging your phone overnight daily. 104. A fully charged phone lasts the whole day. 105. Don't use your phone while charging it. 106. Overcharging can reduce battery life gradually. 107. Power banks help when travel outside. 108. Wireless chargers are convenient but slower. 109. Always plug your charger in a safe socket. 110. Keep your phone away from extreme heat. 111. Clean your phone screen regularly with a soft cloth. 112. Don't share your charger with many people. Charging your phone to 80% is healthier. 114. Using zip chargers can damage the battery. 115. Phone covers protect the device from scratches. 116. Don't let your phone battery reach 0%. 117. Keep your phone away from water always. 118. Use sanitizer wipes to clean your phone safely. 119. Germs usually collect on phone surfaces daily. 120. Never take your phone inside the washroom. 121. Avoid eating while holding your phone. Don't place your phone under your pillow. 123. Heat builds up if you search on a bed. Number 124. Unplug the charger after charging is complete. Number 125. Use a surge protector to avoid damage. Number 126. Don't expose your phone to direct sunlight. Number 127. Always hold the plug, not the cable, while unplugging. 128. Using your phone in the rain can be risky. Number 130. Don't charge your phone on unstable surfaces. 131. Keep your charging area clean and dust-free. 132. Don't charge your phone near flammable items. 133. Avoid using heavy apps while charging your phone. 134. Carry a portable charger when traveling long distances. 135. Overheating can cause serious battery issues. 136. Store your phone in a cool, dry place. 137. Clean the charging port with care. 138. Never insert metal objects inside the charging port. 139. A slow charger is safer than a fake fast charger. 140. Don't let your phone charge in direct sunlight. 141. Airplane mode charges the battery much faster. Regularly restart your phone for better performance. 143. Don't sleep holding your phone in hand. 144. Use antibacterial wipes to kill germs on your phone. 145. Avoid keeping your phone in your pocket too long. 146. Phone screens are dirtier than toilet seats sometimes. 147. Never lick your fingers and then toss your phone. 148. Use a soft microfiber cloth to clean the screen. 149. Phone should be sanitized at least twice a week. 150. Safe charging and cleaning increase phone life. 151. I wash my clothes every weekend. 152. Laundry helps keep clothes fresh and clean. 153. A washing machine makes the job easier. 154. Always separate white and colored clothes. 155. Use good detergent for better cleaning results. 156. Don't overload the washing machine drum. 157. Cold water protects clothes from shrinking. 158. Hot water helps remove heavy stains. 159. Always read the wash care labels carefully. 160. Hand washing is gentler for delicate clothes. 161. Dry cleaning is best for expensive fabrics. 162. Air drying clothes makes them smell fresh. 163. Avoid drying clothes under strong sunlight always. 164. Ironing gives clothes a neat appearance. 165. Use fabric softener to make clothes smoother. 166. Don't leave wet clothes in the machine too long. 167. Hang clothes properly to avoid wrinkles. 168. Washing jeans too often can damage the fabric. 169. Use mild detergent for baby clothes. 170. Don't mix towels with regular clothes. 171. Washing socks separately keeps them hygienic. 172. Remove stains immediately before the set. 173. Vinegar can help remove bad odor from clothes. 174. Baking soda works as a natural cleaning agent. 175. Always check pockets before washing clothes. 176. Zippers should be closed before machine wash. 177. Wash bed sheets at least once a week. 178. Curtains should be cleaned every few months. 179. Hand wash woolen clothes to avoid shrinkage. 180. Machine wash saves a lot of time. 181. Too much detergent can damage clothes. 182. Using too little detergent doesn't clean properly. 183. Dry clothes completely before folding them. 184. Store clothes in a clean and dry place. 185. Washing shoes requires special cleaning solutions. 186. Iron cotton clothes at medium temperature. 187. Delicate fabrics should be ironed with care. 188. Avoid mixing bright and light clothes together. 189. Don't use bleach on colored fabrics. 190. Wash pillow covers frequently for hygiene. 191. Clean laundry baskets regularly to avoid germs. 192. Always let clothes breathe after ironing. 193. Wash handkerchiefs separately from other clothes. 194. Soak heavily stained clothes before washing them. 195. Use warm water to clean greasy stains. 196. Don't use too much fabric softener. 197. Dry clothes naturally instead of using a dryer always. 198. Store washed clothes with mud balls and covers. 199. Fold clothes neatly to save storage space. 200. Freshly washed clothes makes you feel confident. So dear friends, these are 200 sentences that will help you to practice English. And I hope by practicing this you will be able to take your fluency to the next level. So for today this much only, and see you in the next video with another helpful English learning tutorial video. Till then, thank you, bye bye.